Hello, Patreon folks. A couple of things I want to address in this video, along with an example here. What I'm looking at here is stereognosis, but also, most important, is this function called first order somatosensory neurons. And I explored somatosensory neurons before. First order neurons. What are you doing, kid? What a kiddo. First order neurons. First order somatosensory neurons transduce and convey information along the external or internal environment of the body to the central nervous system. They are pseudo-unipolar neurons with cell bodies residing in one of several ganglia located near the central nervous system, in the short branch of the axon connecting to the spinal cord or the brain stem. The brain stem. In the long branch extending towards the peripheral organ, they innervate. Besides their secondary transducer and conductive role, somatosensory neurons also have tropic functions in the tissue. They innervate and participate in local reflexes in the periphery. The cell bodies in these neurons are remarkably diverse in terms of size, molecular structure, and electrophysiological properties. First order neuron. Of the first order, second order, and third order neuron. And they become a different order when they enter into different parts of the brain and then get sent beyond to different parts of the brain. What I'm looking at now is, in terms of stereognosis, in terms of proprioception, in terms of the initial selector attractor mechanism in the brainstem, or in midbrain, medulla oblongata, dentate gyrus, that the initial interaction is transmitted via first order somatosensory neurons. The pure neuron. Here's an example here. This is the target here. This is a Buddhist temple. And I'm looking for stereognosis, proprioception experience here. Not visual. Okay, so that is an example. Now, as far as what's taking place here, this is a dimensional notion here and here of the pattern. I'd say of the pattern recognition, potentially first order neuron, maybe second, but the pursuit is the first order neuron. This here with the natural floral is probably second or third order, but the pursuit for me right now is first order somatosensory neuron. First order somatosensory neuron. And in that, not just for pattern recognition or location recognition, shapeform recognition, but also for my great work, which is to experience the state that zero exists in and the state that one exists in. First order neuron. Anyway, many more to come.